My name is Daryl Spigner, and I drive a 2018 Subaru STI.
Hi, my name is Jason Brown, and I'm a Pro Tuner at Paradigm Automotive Performance.
Hey, my name is Chris DeRosa. I'm a technician at Paradigm Automotive Performance in Boise, Idaho.
I met Paradigm about 2 years ago when I had a bad oil change that caused my engine to blow up. I was getting an oil change before I went out of town. Got about 20 minutes outside of town and the engine had blown. Talking through this Subaru community, found out that Paradigm was probably the most trusted, and at that point I contacted Paradigm to see what you guys had thought, and the first thing you guys had recommended was an IAG motor.
Being a car enthusiast first and a mechanic second, I care about the quality of parts I use. And I use the best quality parts on my car and our customers. And IAG has an amazing product.
When I hear that a customer's OEM block has failed, I'm not surprised. When I hear that they have made the decision to put an IAG block in, I'm relieved. I'm excited.
When you buy an IAG motor, you're getting forged connecting rods, you're getting forged pistons, you're getting a blueprint sheet that shows all of your specifications in one spot. You're getting an engine that's capable of handling more power.
And I don't know if people understand that, and if anyone from Subaru is listening that understands Subarus, I've never been back to Paradigm with an issue since I've had this block. I've never had to redo anything, I've never had to add anything, there was no mistakes made. In 2 years, the only thing I've done to this car is oil changes.
When I fix a vehicle, whether it's putting in an engine or putting bolt-ons on the car or any kind of repairs or maintenance it might need, the best feeling is delivering the car to the customer knowing that we put the best quality parts available into their car.
Gives me confidence knowing that at the end of that process, they're going to have something that they trust and that is going to last. When I get the opportunity to mount one of these IAG blocks to the dyno, I know that it's gone through the Paradigm process. It's gone through Alan, it's been vetted, the parts and components that were selected are appropriate, they were installed and assembled properly by Chris, and now it's on the dyno and ready to rip. And in that moment, I have true and full confidence that the final product that's going to be delivered to the customer is going to be nothing less than extraordinary.
Having put in 30 plus IAG engines over the last couple years with zero issues, I feel full confidence. They are clocking miles, they're still ripping on the road, and that is awesome.
So being in the Subaru community since about 2012 to now, I've had the opportunity to develop a lot of relationships personally, locally in the Subaru community, and now to be able to deliver these types of quality products IAG has to offer and deliver the processes that we have in place at Paradigm is very fulfilling to me.